In Creo Parametric 10, we have improved the handling of hole parameters in ECAD-MCAD Collaboration Extension. The commonly requested enhancement was to allow to define default parameters when creating mounting holes in Creo. This is now possible with an introduction of a new dedicated hole chart file specifically for ECAD environment. A new ecad.hol file can now be found with the rest of Creo chart files, and it can be edited and customized to your needs just as any other standard chart file. The file consists of the 4 standard ECAD system parameters that are automatically applied when hole is created in ECAD board part. The first value in the array is treated by Creo as a default, and the rest will be presented as an option in Creo when hole is being created. These parameters are now visible and editable during the hole feature creation and redefinition. Previously, these parameters were applied by the system after the hole feature was created. This meant that they could be edited only after the fact. With the new enhancement, you can now edit the hole parameters directly from the feature UI, making the process less prone to error and time-consuming. These 4 parameters are now defined as system parameters that are driven by ECAD, whereas before they were user-defined. We also made sure that legacy data is not impacted by this enhancement. This means that the parameters of holes that were created prior to Creo 10 will keep their characteristics. Only newly created and redefined holes will be affected by this change. Parameters of redefined holes that were created before Creo 10 will be automatically converted from user-defined to ECAD type. I hope that this enhancement will improve the ease of use when handling holes in ECAD assemblies by making it faster, clearer, and less prone to user error.